What's up everybody, BaBa Dees here. Welcome to Eat, Love, Cook, and today we're making cabbage fritters. So let's get started. What you need for this recipe will be posted right in the top corner. Also to note that you'll need a couple of things like a baking pan, some parchment paper, and also a large mixing bowl, and a grater. You also need a large knife, bigger than the one that I'm using. Cut your cabbage into quarters, start grating it. You want to go for small bit-sized pieces just like that. Put that all into a bowl. Put it with all the other vegetables that you need to grate. Carrots, onions, garlic. Add some black pepper, some salt, some Parmesan cheese, a couple of teaspoons of flours, some sour cream, and an egg. Mix it all together. Form some nice sized patties or pancakes. Put it in your oven at 375 degrees for 30 minutes, and you'll thank me later. So delicious, so good.